ride, folks. Today is November 8th, and we just got a huge dump of snow. I don't know, apparently we got like a foot or something, and it's really cold, minus 12 Celsius, and blowing like hard out of the north, but the rut should be rocking pretty soon here. I think it's still early, but went out last night and I saw a young muley buck off in the distance, so it's a good sign. There's deer around. Hoping they're moving, that's kind of the big thing. I don't know if they're going to be out trying to feed right now or if they're going to be just hunkered down trying to let this wind and snow pass. We'll find out. Just making my early morning stop, pre-hunt. Take a look at that flag whipping. Gonna be cold. Sneaking up on another buck just up here. It's a bigger one. Buck number 3 and 4 for the day. Well, I got him. There he lay. Whew, man. That was awesome. I thought there was 2 bucks there, and I saw the one cut hard to the south, and so I followed him, and I thought he ran way that way. He was definitely a 4-point, like a pretty good one. And then I came this way and I seen this other buck cutting through. And I just assumed that he was the smaller one, and I looked and I counted points. I was like, oh, he's a 4x4. Man, that was good. That was fun. Thank you, Lord, for this deer. This is my first muley in 4 or 5 years. Oh, look at that. Oh, and when you're used to whitetail, you forget how big these things are. They're a lot bigger, that's for sure. I gotta go get my pack and my knives, and I'm going to start working on them, but I'll get some pictures here first. Alright, well, just going back to get my pack. Left it a ways back so I could sneak in a bit more quietly. Yeah, this will be my last outing till next year. Kind of bittersweet, but I know that I have a lot of meat in the freezer this year, so that's good. Good. There he is. Oh yeah. First muley in about 4 years, I think. 4 or 5, I don't know. A long time ago. He's a beautiful buck. Nice 4-point. Very thankful for him. Beautiful day. Snow is gently falling. About -12. Just exactly the kind of mule deer hunting day you'd hope for. Beautiful buck. Beautiful buck. Thank you, buddy. Thank you. Well, now the work begins. Alright, well, first load is ready to go. Got the front leg, back leg, what else? Back straps, tenderloins, and all the burger meat. That's going to be a load. It's pretty heavy. We're packing her out. Just fell. Ryan's got all the heavy stuff this time. How's it feel?
Oh, that's good.
That's fine.